So hey friend, in this video I'll be showing you how to create a game pass in Roblox and add it to the please donate. So let's start. So first of all guys, you have to go to roblox.com on your website and you have to log in with your ID. So once you log in guys, you have to go to create. You have to click on this create tab. Now to create a game pass guys, you have to click on the by default experience you haven't created. So now you just need to click on associate items, and now you have to click on this passes option. So in passes tab you can create as many as you want game passes. You need to click on this create a pass. Now you just need to enter the name of the game pass. Like what is the I'm gonna enter as demo 110. So now you can enter the description if you want, and the image is optional. If you want to upload an image, you can upload, but this is the by default image. You don't have to upload. So you can enter the description, but it is also not compulsory, so you can leave it. And now you just need to click on this create pass. Once your game pass has been created guys, you need to click on this newly created game pass, and now you need to click on this sale option and enable it for the sale. Now you can enter the price here, so I'm going to enter as 2000 robux. Now click on save changes. So once you click on save changes, now your game pass has been set up for the sale in please donate. You just need to open the